Genesis chapter 2, verse 15 to 18. The Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work it and take care of it. 16. And the Lord God commanded the man, You are free to eat from any tree in the garden. 17. But you must not eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, for when you eat from it, you will certainly die. 18. The Lord God said, It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him. Nilagay ng Diyos ang tao sa hardin ng Eden upang magtrabaho at mag-alaga nito. Binigyan niya ang tao ng kalayaan, ngunit may utos na sundin. Huwag kainin ang bunga ng puno ng kaalaman ng mabuti at masama. Nang makita ng Diyos na hindi mabuti na mag-isa ang tao, nangako siya na gagawa ng angkop na kasama para sa kanya. Ipinapakita nito ang malasakit ng Diyos sa pangangailangan ng tao. Follow for more daily Bible verses